I'm back with an update on the Weetbix slice. I had to add a little bit more water because it was too crumbly to set in the fridge. So I've done that and it's really nice and sticky now. So I'll show you what it looks like and we'll put it back in the dish to set in the fridge. There we go. That's a much better looking Weetbix mixture now. So I can scoop it back into my dish. There we are. It's nice and sticky and gooey. It might not be enough to fit down on the whole flat of my dish, but that's okay. I'm happy with that. Oh yes, that's way better looking for Weetbix slice now. Yummy. This will go into my fridge and in 2 hours I will have a delicious morning tea. So instead of 2 tablespoons of water, I would say you could maybe add a 1/4 cup. That is, oh, this is 1/3 of a cup, a little bit less than that, maybe 4 spoons instead of 2 spoons. You try around and let me know what works best for your Weetbix slice. And tomorrow, I'll be back with more foodie phonics. Enjoy your Weetbix slice. Bye for now, boys and girls.